guys, it's freezing. It's very cold. The winter is coming. Do you feel? Está muito cold. The winter is coming. Oh my God. I think we'll have to hibernate. Yes. So let's find some food to eat and then we go with sleep. Oh, for 2 months, like the bears. Yes, that's the only way because it's very cold. Oh my God, don't forget to put your jackets. Yes. Oh, it's freezing.
So we learned that the bears and other animals like the snakes, the squirrels, the hedgehogs, they go hibernating when the weather gets freezing, when it becomes cold, right? So normally this happens when we are in the season winter. Ah, do you know how many seasons we have during one year? Quantas estações nós temos? Ah, we have four seasons: summer, spring, winter, and fall. Fall, you can say autumn or fall, okay? So let's have a look in this picture. We have the spring, when the flowers bloom, when all the animals pop out, right? After the spring, we have the summer. Yes, a nossa última season que nós estávamos era o summer. We have the vacation, the holidays. We go to the beach, we play in the sand. It's very hot, ok? After the summer, que é a season que nós estamos agora, we have the fall, quando o weather começa a ficar a little bit cold. As leaves start falling, yes. Então o weather começa a ficar um pouquinho mais cold. And after the fall, we have the winter. Freezing. Did you see in the other video? Start start getting freezing. That's why I put on my jacket. Yes. O winter é quando fica muito cold. In algumas parts in the planet, in the earth, gets the snow falls. Here in Brazil, we don't have this condition, we don't have the snow. But in some other countries, in outros países, the snow is very heavy, so people have to wear jackets, gloves, and everything, right? But then I ask you, why and how we have four seasons? Por que num determinado tempo is hot and another time is cold? How this happen? Now we are going to discover. Porque isso está relacionado ao Mr. Sun. Yes.
So now we are going to see how the seasons are related to the sun. Yes, here we have our Earth planet. O nosso planet, during the year, he rounds one complete round. Ele gira uma vez, okay, but is very slow. So our teacher, why we don't fall if the Earth planet rounds? Ah, because it rounds very slow and because of the gravity. Yes, so our planet rounds, okay, very slow. And here is the sun. Não esquece que o nosso Earth planet is part of the solar system. So the center is the sun. Então, here we have the sun. Here we have the sunlight coming to the Earth planet. Did you see here? So this part is getting more sunlight. So this part is closer, está mais perto do sun. It means that all the countries that are here in this part will be in the hot seasons. What are the hot seasons? The spring and the summer. And all the countries that stay in this part, did you see here, is darker? Yes. So, todos os países que ficam nessa parte aqui are going to be in the cold seasons. Quais são as cold seasons? The autumn and the winter. Yes. That's why the seasons take almost 3 months. Why? 3 meses uma estação. Because it takes almost 3 months to change the round. Ela vai virando, então demora para mudar a season também. Okay, look here. The sunlight goes to this part and here is darker. Look here. This is December. So, in December, qual é a parte aqui que está com sunlight? O South Hemisphere. Brazil is in the South Hemisphere. So, in December, we have the summer. And look, the North Hemisphere. It's more dark. So, they are in the winter. Teacher. So, it means that the seasons are related to the sun. In the hot seasons, the spring and the summer, os daylights, o dia, is longer because they stay with more sunlight. Yes, so in the cold seasons, the autumn and the winter, the daylight is smaller, so we have less sun. The days are smaller, right? So here we have the explanation why the Mr. Sun is so important for the seasons. Did you see? Did you know that? Did you know that our planet rounds but very slow? Yes, that's very important. Now you know why the sun is so important to the seasons. So let's have a look on this video. It's a short explanation about what we talk now, about the seasons and the sunlight, okay?
It strikes the northern hemisphere at a shallow angle for a short period of time. This is why winter weather is generally cool, with short days and long nights. As Earth orbits the sun, we move towards spring in the northern hemisphere. Now Earth is tilted neither toward nor away from the sun, as day and night are about equal in length. As we make our way to the summer months, notice that Earth is still tilted in the same direction, only now on the other side of our orbit. The North Pole is tipping toward the sun. Sunlight strikes the northern hemisphere more directly.
So did you see here? Look, here the North Pole is receiving more sunlight, right? And look, the month is June. So here for us, look, Brazil is around here. For us, June normally is cold because we are farther from the sunlight. Here, the north, look, north of Africa, Europe. So they are receiving more sunlight. So probably they are in the summer. You see, normally, when here in Brazil is cold, in the north is summer. So probably they are in the summer and we are in the winter. Look, you can see.
And the sun stays in the sky for a longer time. Compared to winter, summer days are warmer and the sun stays in the sky much longer. Notice too that while it's summer in the northern hemisphere, it's winter in the southern hemisphere. Because of Earth's tilt, the seasons are reversed.
Here it's very nice information. July, the same as we talk. July here is very cold. Look, in the north hemisphere, getting a lot of sunlight, so it's hotter.
We observed how Earth's tilt creates the different seasons throughout the year. How does this affect life? Plant life and other photosynthesizers, we call them primary producers, depend on sunlight. They respond to the changes in the seasons. Earth orbiting satellites measure the amount of carbon dioxide absorbed by these primary producers. Bright regions on this map show where they devour the most carbon dioxide, turning light from the sun into oxygen and natural sugars. In spring, when sunshine strikes the cold waters of the North Pacific, productivity skyrockets. Phytoplankton and other
Here, it's very interesting here. So they are showing how the plants are growing according to the sunlight. That's logical, right? If the country receives more sunlight, they produce more plants, more trees, more flowers. If they don't receive that much sunlight, they have less production of plants, right? So the video showed the earth rounding very fast, but this is only a simulation, right? So the earth rounds very slow. So now we know what the sunlight, okay, interferes in the seasons, right? Now let's have a look. The types and the way the animals that live in the north when it's winter, so they hibernate. Yes, let's have a look. Shh, my bear is sleeping. Actually, no, he's hibernating. Yes, let's have a look. Yes, he's sleeping. Essa então é a cave que eu fiz para o meu bear hibernate. Yes. So, this is a cave that fits my bear. É do tamanho do meu bear. But there are many types of caves, okay? Depending on the size of the bear. So look here, this is perfectly the size of my bear. Fits my bear. Yes, ele cabe direitinho aqui dentro da minha cave. Did you do your cave? E o seu animal entrou direitinho, ó. So, this is my cave, but, as I told you, tem muitos tipos de caves que os bears podem go inside or they can make this cave to go hibernation, okay? Let's have a look of some types of caves, yes?
So, as I told you, there are loads of types of caves that the animals that go hibernating can make or they can just find in the nature, right? So, here we have some pictures showing the different types of caves. Let's have a look here, for example. Oh, this is a rock cave, right? É uma cave feita de pedras, de rochas, ok? Here the bear is inside the snow. He made kind of a hole in the snow and he is inside the snow. Here there is another rock cave nas rochas, ok? Look how interesting this one. É uma cave feita on the ground. É o chão e ele fez como se fosse um hole, um buraco dentro do soil, and this is his cave. Ó. The same as this one. Ó. And this one here is another rock cave. Ó, feita de rocha. É uma rocha e ela tem um hole, tem um buraco, um espaço, a space in this rock. e o bear procurou esse space to protect during the winter. Here, it's a very interesting one. Look, it's a lot of sticks. Yes, de galhos. Também é um tipo de cave. Oh, you always have to remember that the cave needs to fit the animal, tem que servir o animal tem que conseguir entrar inside, ok? And needs to be a safe place, place que ele se sinta seguro, because he's going to stay for almost 2 or 3 months sem food, water, e ele pode estar suscetível aos predators, ok? So this is important to have in a cave. Então, look how interesting this one, huh? It's made of stick. Did you see? A lot of types of caves. Very nice.
So did you see? There are lots of types of caves. Caves that you can go inside the snow. Caves made of wood. Caves made in the rocks. Caves made in the pile of leaves, pilha de folhas, right? Or simply a hole. Yes, so the animal that goes hibernating can make a hole and go under the ground. Yes, so there are plenty types of caves. In our activity today in the book, what you have to do? You have to draw one type of cave that you want to choose. For example, teacher, I want to make a rock cave feita de pedras. Então você vai desenhar uma rock cave e vai escolher um animal to go inside hibernating in your draft. Okay, you choose your cave, but now I have to go and find a cave for me because the winter is coming and it's get freezing. Oh my god! See you next class. Bye bye.